Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share a text file on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer access to an account for Microsoft Office 365 as well as a text file we may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's then navigate to OneDrive, wait for that to load. Now let's go to Admin and then go to My Files. Click within the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Let's now click on file1.txt, top right corner, and now click on Share. This will then open up a prompt on screen that will allow us to copy the link. We can therefore share this link with anyone, so we can now click on the X. Let's now open up a new web browser using incognito mode. Paste that link that was copied. And now we can start to edit the file. Let's now type in hello world again. Click on Save. Let's now quit incognito mode. Let's now refresh the page. Let's now go back into My Files, 2024, file1.txt, and there we go. We have now edited and saved the text file through incognito. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.